pile of cut boards there with those metal rails. That's the server rack project as it stands right now. I need to make sure that I've got a decent place to work. As you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. I've got camping gear, God only knows what, camp fuel, clamps, tools, cut off lumber, you name it, pretty much everywhere in the shop. I gotta fix this, and I gotta do it now. Well, as you saw, I have got way too much, I'm not even sure what to call it, got way too much in the way of incomplete projects going on. I gotta do something about this. I've got camping gear everywhere. I've got a full oil change drain pan sitting on the workbench. I've got cutoffs everywhere, clamps everywhere. This isn't going to work. So, I can honestly say, do as I say, not as I do. And do yourselves a favor, don't ever let your shops get this messy. This was a lot too much of me letting other things take priority, and I need to dig in. I'm glancing around the shop right now, looking up at the ceiling, and I can see 3 bulbs that need to be replaced. At least 4. Yeah, I got 1 that's dead, and 3 that are not gonna be too far behind it. So I might as well replace those. I've got stacks and stacks of crates and things like that. I just gotta clean up in here. So let's just quit talking about it. Let's get to it. One part of the progress of shop cleanup, you can still see that I have stuff stacked on the table saw extension, but one of the parts of the progress here is to get stuff out of the shop, projects that have been dangling. These are the pieces that are going to be up against the either the cabinet, the first of the beadboard pieces is going to be against the cabinet, and then the trim piece is here and here are going to be up against the wallpaper that I don't want to paint against. I don't want to risk contaminating the wallpaper, painting on the wallpaper. And this wallpaper's so old, I've had problems with tape adhering to the wallpaper. So we're going to do away with those risks. And so these are done. These are ready to install. So these are going to go into that bathroom I'm doing the beadboard wainscoting on. And we're going to continue. Okay, well, you probably don't want to keep watching me clean up in the shop, but you get the general idea. So next time when we pick up, we're going to pick up with sanding the pre-drills and the countersinks on the rack, and we're going to start painting. So catch up with me then. In the meantime, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, remember to like share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.